Python server address already in use, but I close the server and I use allow_reuse_address. Here is my code to run the server. Yet this is what happens. Why? I close the server and set allow_reuse_address to true, using Python 2.6.8.
Thanks to the other answers, I figured it out. Allow_reuse_address should be on the class, not on the instance. I'm still not sure why closing the socket didn't free it up for the next run of the server, though.
The A98 address already in use is due to the fact the socket was not close, but it's still waiting for enough time to pass to be sure the remote TCP received the acknowledgement of its connection termination request. See time_wait. By default you are not allowed to bind a socket if there is socket bound to that port, but you can override that with allow_reuse_address, so _reuse_address. Although it's possible to mutate server.allow_reuse_address, as proposed in this other answer, I think is more clean to your own subclass of server, where allow_reuse_address is set to true. You can use definitely set allow_reuse_address on the instance itself, without messing with classes, but you need to use server ... bind _ activate equals false, otherwise the socket will be bound before you have a chance to change the allow_reuse_address setting. Then you need to manually call .server_bind and .server_activate before serve_forever.
It is because TCP time_wait. Somebody discovered this exact problem. However, if I try to stop and start the server again to test any modifications, I get a random socket.error, A98, address already in use error. This happens only if a client has already connected to the server. Checking with netstat and PS, I found that although the process itself is no longer running, the socket is still listening on the port with status time_wait. Basically the OS waits for a while to make sure this connection has no remaining packets on the way.
It is because you have to set so_reuse address before you bind the socket. As you are creating and binding the socket all in one step and then setting it, it is already too late.
Address already in use error happened when socket server.server, port, my request handler, so you cannot catch below.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.